This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Tuesday, the 27th of November. I'm James Spann. Some rain to start the day, but by the time you watch this, the rain could be long gone. It's moving out pretty quickly. Let's look at some Skycam shots around the network early this morning at the insane hour of 5 o'clock. That's from Jasper, where the rain is ending as I do this update, about 5:30. That's the Tuscaloosa Skycam. It's been a good rain there. Looks like Tuscaloosa is going to wind up with over 1/2 inch, a little more than we expected there. And that's the Gadsden Skycam, where light rain is falling. Most spots are going to get under a 1/4 inch with this. There's our shortwave energy this morning coming through right on time. And we'll check the radar. That's the way things looked a little before 5 o'clock. And at that point, you can see the leading edge of the rain was coming into Birmingham with some thunder. Quite frankly, we didn't expect too much thunder up here on the northern end, but we've had a little bit despite a fairly stable air mass, but certainly nothing severe. And again, the rain has already stopped in places like Hamilton and Moulton and Muscle Shoals and Sulligent, and the rain will be ending from west to east during the morning hours. In fact, like we say, it could be over by the time you watch this. Watch warning map, things are pretty calm around the nation this morning, and temperatures, it's cold up north. I mean, it's really cold for November, but the core of that will be staying north of here. That cold air is moving east and not south. And true, we'll have chilly mornings over the next few days, but afternoons will be pretty comfortable. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through the weekend, through Saturday evening at 6 o'clock. And this is the rain that basically is coming down this morning. I think after this will be dry through early next week. Of course, the big numbers are back in the Pacific Northwest. It'll be soaked later this week. All right, let's look at the GFS Model fans. This is the 06Z run, valid at noon today, and the level is at 500 millibars. That's about 18 to 20,000 feet off the ground. There's the shortwave energy coming through, and the rain should be over by midday today for this part of the state. The rain will likely continue down in southeast Alabama, and we will not get out of the 50s today. The day will be cooler because of the clouds, rain, and a bit of cold air advection. Tomorrow, we'll start the day around freezing. It's going to be cold in the morning, but we'll warm up nicely with a high around 60, and the sun will be back in full force. Pretty much the same deal on Thursday. The low down in the 30s, the high in the mid-60s. It'll feel good. And Friday, once again, mid-60s are likely. The sky partly sunny. The GFS showing a high of 65. Everybody wants to know about the weekend. Look at the shortwave energy out there across the high plain states. But really around here, there's nothing to squeeze out any rain. And, that looks dry. And I don't think we need to mention rain in the forecast. You might consider a slight chance of a shower Saturday with some increase in moisture. But again, with, no trigger, it's just not going to rain, I don't think. So Saturday will be very mild. How about 71? Ooh, that's what the GFS is suggesting, and that should be pretty close to being correct. Exact same thing on Sunday. We've got, the chance of showers just north and west of here, but Sunday should be dry with a mixture of clouds and sunshine. And really the same thing on Monday. All 3 days, the GFS is showing 71. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Wow. And a week from today, same deal, low 70s. So we've got a nice stretch of mild weather, but you know the deal, don't get used to it. Let's go to Wednesday of next week. Here comes a cold front pushing through. That'll be our next chance of rain. Probably no severe weather if this is right. This is suggesting rain amounts of about 1/2 to 1 inch. And then on Thursday, December 6th, it turns colder. Nothing excessively cold, though. But that'll, drop us out of those 70s and get the high down to about 60, which is where we should be in early December. We'll check the end of the forecast, 12, 12, 12. It's kind of cool, December 12th, and very strong troughing passing through. And look at the cold air. That's cold, if this is right. 540 thickness line down to Birmingham, a howling north wind. And this is the... been some consistency in the idea, so we'll keep an eye on that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. And don't forget to watch us this evening on ABC 3340 News on the live stream of the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Does your weatherman have a face for radio? ABC 3340's James Spann may be hair challenged, but he sure is entertaining, especially when he teams up with everyone's favorite radio duo, Rick and Bubba. From the radio airwaves to the small screen, it's the Rick and Bubba TV show 5 days a week. Watch Rick and Bubba along with ABC 3340 Chief Meteorologist James Spann, Monday through Friday from 6 to 10 a.m. on the Nashville Network, provided by ABC 3340.